Hey everyone, how's it going? My name's Shane Jaffe. I'm here today to introduce to you the Manufactured Housing Expert channel here on YouTube. The purpose of this channel is to help educate you, the consumer, as well as to bring awareness to the manufactured housing industry. In future episodes, you're not going to believe what you see. We are going to be bringing you to some of the state-of-the-art manufacturers and homes. We are also going to be taking you to some of the most beautiful manufactured housing communities. Thank you for taking the time to watch the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you have any questions, leave your questions in the comment box. We will do our best to answer all of your questions.